Did you know that with just a few simple tricks, you can turn every flight into a smooth and comfortable experience, just like a frequent flyer? Top 5 Tips, Smart Air Travel Tips. 1. Before booking your flight, choosing the right ticket and seat is crucial for a pleasant journey. Use tools like Seat Guru to check the seat map for your flight. Seat Guru provides detailed information on seat location, legroom, and comfort level, helping you avoid seats near restrooms or those with limited space. A pro tip is to select a seat near the airplane's wings, as this area experiences less turbulence due to being close to the aircraft's center of gravity, offering a smoother ride in rough weather. Additionally, consider booking early morning flights. These flights are less likely to be delayed or canceled, and airports tend to be quieter, allowing for quicker check-ins. Planning ahead also helps you score the best deals. Keep an eye on airline promotions and compare prices on booking platforms. Some apps even let you set price alerts to ensure you grab tickets when prices drop. 2. Managing finances and packing smart. Leverage travel credit cards to optimize expenses. Many travel cards offer rewards points for flight tickets, hotel bookings, and foreign spending. These points can be redeemed for free flights or discounts on future trips. Plus, travel credit cards often include complimentary travel insurance, protecting you from issues like flight cancellations, lost luggage, or medical emergencies. When it comes to packing, pack light and smart. Only bring essential items and choose versatile clothing that's easy to mix and match. Before heading to the airport, weigh your luggage to avoid excess baggage fees. A modern hack is to place an AirTag or a small tracking device in your suitcase. If your luggage gets lost, you can easily track its location via your phone, reducing stress and saving time. 3. Airport security and checkpoints. Navigating airport security can be stressful, but with a few tricks, you can make the process smooth and hassle-free. Avoid using public USB charging stations, as hackers can install malware to steal your data. Instead, carry a portable power bank or use a wall outlet if available. This protects your personal information while keeping your devices charged. When reaching the security checkpoint, opt for the left-hand lane. Studies show that most people instinctively turn right, making the left lane faster. To speed up the process, have your passport and boarding pass ready and remove your shoes and belt before your turn. For long-haul flights, wear compression socks. They improve blood circulation and prevent swelling or blood clots caused by prolonged sitting. This tip is especially helpful for flights over 5 hours, ensuring comfort and protecting your health. For on the plane, once you're on board, making the most of your flight time is key to a comfortable journey. Bring noise-canceling headphones and moisturizer. Noise-canceling headphones help block out engine noise or chatty passengers, allowing you to sleep or enjoy entertainment. Meanwhile, the dry cabin air can dehydrate your skin, so a small tube of moisturizer is essential to keep your skin hydrated and avoid discomfort. Don't forget to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated from within. When choosing in-flight beverages, avoid carbonated drinks and hot beverages. Carbonated drinks can cause bloating due to cabin pressure, while hot drinks, like coffee or tea, may interfere with sleep. Opt for water or fruit juice to help your body adjust to the cabin environment. Lastly, download the airline's app before takeoff. Many airlines offer free movies, music, or games through their apps, but you'll need to install it in advance, as in-flight Wi-Fi is often unstable. This way, you can stay entertained without relying on the internet. 5. Handling emergencies. Even with careful planning, unexpected situations like lost luggage or flight cancellations can happen. With a few smart strategies, you can handle them calmly and efficiently. Before checking in your luggage, take a quick photo of your suitcase's exterior and contents. These pictures serve as proof if your luggage is lost or damaged. Documenting the color, design, and items inside will help airport staff locate your bag faster and support your compensation claim if needed. Also, attach a clear name tag with your contact information for better identification. Store important documents like your passport, flight ticket, travel insurance, and hotel details on Google Drive or any cloud platform. This ensures you have access to digital copies in case you lose the originals. Emailing these documents to yourself is also a good backup plan. If your flight is delayed or canceled, stay calm and be polite when speaking with airline staff. Rather than getting frustrated, ask about alternative flights or compensation options. A friendly attitude often leads to better assistance and sometimes unexpected perks. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared to handle any travel emergency with confidence. Traveling isn't just about the destination, it's about mastering the art of smart problem solving along the way.